Hi, I'm Phil Benham with NetDyno and Product Evangelist for LeadKit PRO. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace the landing pages provided inside of LeadKit PRO so that you can use any landing page you want, including those on your own website or with any other landing page builder like Leadpages, ClickFunnels, or Unbounce. We understand that the landing page options available for your LeadKit PRO campaigns might not be the exact fit for your brand. And we never claimed to be all things to all people, and we sure didn't plan to ever become a landing page builder. Plus, we understand that the landing page for any lead capture campaign is very important, as it's usually one of the first things a potential prospect sees about your business online. So we wanted to make sure that you have every option available to you when it comes to building your lead capture campaigns with LeadKit PRO. That's why we've built a way to replace the landing pages on your LeadKit PRO campaigns. The way it works is that you'll be copying and pasting a bit of code to any landing page you want online, and your campaign automatically attaches itself to that page. This way, when you send traffic to that landing page and your prospects click on whichever link or button you assign to be your call to action, they will see your LeadKit PRO opt-in form and be able to view your lead magnet content. In order to use this feature, as with any other LeadKit PRO campaign, you'll click the Go Live link on the campaign card you want to use from your dashboard. Instructions for other options are on the left, while the Replace Landing Page option is on the right. Here, you'll see that there are two things you need to bring over to your new landing page. The first is a way to create a trigger. This is basically a way for a button or link on your landing page that, when clicked by a visitor, will behave just like the button on the landing pages created for you inside of LeadKit PRO. This will make that button or link that you choose trigger the opt-in form to show on the page, or if you've set some content to be public, will show that content. All you'll need to do here is copy the trigger text to your computer's clipboard using the copy button to the right. Next, go to your landing page builder or editor and choose which button or link you want to trigger your LeadKit PRO opt-in form. Then paste the trigger text wherever you can add a link or URL for the button or link that you want to use. Basically, what you're doing here is simply linking a button, image, or text link as a call to action to trigger your opt-in form. Next, going back to your Go Live options on LeadKit PRO, you'll see the script that you'll need to add on your landing page. Copy that to your computer's clipboard using the copy button on the bottom. Then, over on your landing page builder or editor, you'll need to add it somewhere before the ending body tag. In most cases, you could add a custom HTML block anywhere on your page. It doesn't matter. Then just paste in the script you copied. Save your work and publish your landing page. Now, whenever any of your prospects visit your landing page and click on that call to action button or link you've assigned as the trigger, your LeadKit PRO opt-in form will appear, or if you have public content, they'll see that instead. That's it. Easy peasy, right? If you run into any issues at all, please don't hesitate to contact our support desk using the Help and Support link on any page inside the LeadKit PRO platform. Thanks for watching this video. Again, I'm Phil Benham, and I look forward to helping you do more with your LeadKit PRO account in our other tutorials.